Hi, so Steve Horton here at Qualcomm, demonstrating current version of Windows RT running on the Snapdragon S4 processor on our Liquid tablet reference platform.
All right, so this is a tablet that you're going to be giving to your OEMs and manufacturers?
Right, so we share this tablet in our collaboration with Microsoft. We give this to our OEMs as a way of them starting their development, and other important ISVs. And again, this is a reference platform, so we're not too concerned about final form factors, but we do use this with the development community as well, so that we can also develop applications, Metro-style applications. What you're seeing here is the new Metro UI interface, which is kind of the next generation of UI and interface for Windows. And so you can see here, this is Internet Explorer 10. You can swipe from the top. We'll bring in the visual tabs. So here's the Bing search engine, New York Times. You can add. You can say I want to start a new tab, and let's see. Here's an interesting site. This is the IE10 HTML5 test site. So this is a test site that you can run a whole series of HTML5 test applications to see how things are going. At any time, you just swipe right. You can hit the new start menu, and that'll take you back to the home screen, and you can look at the other various things that you want to do.
Can you show us how quickly it can switch through applications?
So when you have multiple applications open, swipe from the left side will switch you between applications. So you can see that we've really gotten to a point with Windows RT of just being absolutely fast and fluid, just like any other device, as good or better than any other device you see on the market.
Cool. And so, is there any games you can show us while you're through here?
Yeah. So here's this takes a moment to launch, but this is a full DX. This is Xbox 360 level gaming. This is a game engine's been ported, as well as game software that's full DX compliant. This will show you the kind of gaming you'll see on tablets coming out on ARM devices. And again, the really unique thing here is you've got full Xbox 360 style gaming, and you have it running in a mobile environment, so it's very power efficient, unlike any other games you've seen before. So instead of having to have stuff plugged into the wall, you now have this high-level gaming experience available on mobile tablets that have the power profiles that you would expect for kind of smartphone type of applications. So you'll see here, this is a kind of a gaming scenario. Let's see if I can turn up the volume a little bit for you. And this is a game, Vendetta Online. It's a massive multiplayer game, and of course you have to log in the whole series of people, but you can see all the kind of effects you would expect from smoke and trails and explosions and full 3D immersion, etc. On this type of platform.
Cool. Can you play?
Right now I'm not online with anybody else.
We're not online.
But the interesting thing about this is that you're still in Metro, so you can go back to the Metro application here, and you can come back to the game. Cool. So there's the game. There's your other Metro tiles. If I decided I had to do a calendar, I could do that, and then I can go. You'll notice that the game is updating real time visually in that top left corner, and I can select it and I can go right back to the game.
And this is shipping to OEMs right now, and you're working with partners to release this currently?
Yeah, we're absolutely working with all the lead PC OEMs and others on developing commercial solutions on this platform.
When should we expect that on the street?
Well, Microsoft's going to give you the final say on when you're going to see that out of. And in fact, Steven Sinofsky just posted a blog just yesterday, giving the whole community a kind of a bead on when that's going to happen, and they're talking about 2 more months to RTM and then release shortly thereafter. So I think you're going to see devices here coming pretty soon.
All right, thanks so much.
Yeah, you bet.